Hi guys, welcome to Technology for Blind YouTube channel. I'm back with another small tutorial. Recently I have got a comment from one of my viewer asking about how to use the mobile phone in GTA 5. So I have decided to make a small tutorial explaining how to use that. Okay, so let's get started. But if you are completely blind, there are some limitations, but even I am a partially blind, I can use the phone little bit. Now there are some functions like there is a camera. You can take the photos around the game, you can take a car, etc, etc. The photos are stored in the documents directory. There is a folder named Rockstar Games GTA 5 and something clips. Okay, so and you can browse the internet on the game, and you can order cars, helicopters, and visit to bank, etc. And you can save the current state of the game, etc. And also you can call. I will show all of the features available on the game. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, now to open the phone, you have to press up arrow. Now I am currently in the Trevor character. Now I've opened the phone. Now each character has their own phones. Now as the first item, we have got something, I don't know. Now I have taken a call.
This is Amanda. Unfortunately, I can't come to the phone right now. Namaste.
So simply you can mess around with this phone.
Hi, this is Atomic Blimp. Can I help you?
Yeah, hi. I'd like a blimp delivered as soon as possible.
I'll send one out to you right away.
Ah, that would be perfect. Thanks.
Thank you for calling Atomic Blimp Services. Goodbye.
Let's try again. Now see, if you can see, he has his phone in his hand. That is great. Now let's keep. Now he put the phone in his pocket. Now let's take it. He took, and let's dial the call, and now he kept like a real man calling.
This is Tracy DeSanta. I'm probably studying, so psych. Leave a message and we'll hang.
He won't leave a message, I think. So on right arrow there are other settings, etc. I don't know what those. Okay, come back. I'm pressing randomly. So this is the save item. Where do you want to save? Now you have to press one of there are 3 slots. Okay, let's take the again a call. So press down arrow, and yeah, this is the internet. Okay, and I'm not sure how to go browse the internet because I can't see anything. Okay, you can press down right to get to the camera. Sorry, and you can zoom in by pressing if you have any mouse scroll, you can zoom in, and you can capture a photo by using the left click button on the mouse, or most probably the enter button, and wait a little, and there will be a preview on the bottom right corner. Okay, and let's zoom in. Okay, let's get another one. Okay, etc. Okay, so there are lots of options. You have to play around with this, and you can press right click to come to the back or the main menu, and again press right click to close. Okay, so let's go to the F6 character, Trevor Franklin, and let's check his phone. All the controls and settings are the same, but the look and the sounds are a little bit
going, man,
different.
before you take advantage.
Okay. Yeah, now press up arrow. Now his phone is little bit different. Let's take a call. Okay, call is engage. Call is just press up arrow and press up arrow, press enter and choose something and press enter. Now there is a call. Okay.
Hello, Atomic Blimp Services. How can I help you today?
Hey, I need a blimp right now.
I have one available right now. I'll have them drop it off as soon as possible.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Hope it works out for you.
So
Goodbye.
great, right? The different scenarios they show us that. Oh, cut. Okay, let's.
Tang is busy with it. Holla at the beep.
Let's get a photo. Okay, now the system has been stuck. Okay, let's get a photo. Right, as usual. Okay, let's get another photo. Right, now let's go to the F7. Michael. Okay. Right.
No clothes. No car. No problem.
Now let's get his phone. Yeah. Here it. As you can see, this is his phone. Little high contrast enabled. Engage.
Shit.
How was that? Real action.
This is United States phone of Wei Chang. Leave me a message.
There are no any messages, unfortunately. Come on, man. I'd like to hear your voice.
My answering machine is being monitored. Be careful what you say. They're listening.
You been swimming in some hell toilet?
What the? Okay. Let's talk. Hey man, I'd like to hear your voice, please. Talk.
Wade!
What?
It's Wade!
What's going on?
Wade, I don't know how to work this.
Come on, man. I'd like to hear your voice, please. Can you help me? I think no way. Okay, let's go to the camera. as usual. Let's get this photo. Okay. Let's nice view, guys. Okay, let's get this right. So this will be the tutorial. I hope you understood if you want. And yeah, if you enjoyed, please drop a like button, and if you have any questions, comments, thoughts, any of that, please post into the comment section.
This is just a robbery.
It would help me a lot in the upcoming videos.
Out you get, buddy.
And yes, and if you have any questions or recommendations, please post in the comment section. It would help me a lot. Okay, guys.
AM.
Okay. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Signing out, Mohomed Rashad.